Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello there guys and girls. So let's have a little look today. We're going to jump into Aave, one of my favorite projects, currently ranked 34 in the crypto space. We are chilling at $5 billion with a minuscule 0.23% market dominance and a $410 million trading volume. So not too bad, not too bad. This is still one of my favorite projects, and it's only a 5 billion market cap, so this thing could easily double. Like 10 billion market cap is not really an unrealistic level with a project of this strength. I mean, it's got great network value, its fundamentals are pretty solid, so it can help catalyze the price in the future. So yeah, Aave, really good project, one of my favorites. So let's have a little look at what's going on. Over the 1 hour, we are neutral. Over the 24 hours, we're up 5%. Over the week, we're down 7.6. Over the 2 weeks, we're down 10%. And over the month, we're up a whopping 13.8%. Not too shabby, eh? So let's have a look at the price action today, guys. Let's have a little bit of a TA discussion, shall we? So of course, we had a double bottom over here through the accumulation phase, where we had the sell-off, where we had massive market fear. And now we are in our uptrend. We had our impulse wave here, the spring, and we come all the way up to £323. So let's have a little close look at what's going on over here. We can see that Aave is currently trading at £273. It's sitting between its 0.5 and 0.382 Fibonacci support level. So if we take this Fibonacci out now, we can see we had the golden ratio over here, 0.618 at £255, and we came down to this golden ratio. We came back up to the 0.38 Fibonacci, and then we tried to rally through, but we got rejected. We come back down through the 0.38 Fibonacci back to the golden ratio, and just today we bounce off the golden ratio once again, and we came all the way up to this resistance line over here from the previous wicks that we've got on this resistance line, really, of this descending triangle formation pattern. Sorry guys, my nose is really itchy, like a bit of dust has just flown up it. I can't get this itch away. So the main levels of resistance we need to look at right now, guys, is obviously breaking through around £280. And if you do break through, we've got the resistance over here at 296. The price targets above that, like if we do break through this previous high over here of 324, the next level is going to be £355. So it's not an all-time high, but it's going to move things forward. And right now we've produced, as you can see, a higher low on the charts, but we need to bear in mind that Ethereum and Bitcoin are quite bearish right now. I mean, if we look at the relative strength index, we're pretty neutral. We're not really overbought or oversold. We just don't really have enough volume to keep the price pumping, I'm afraid. So maybe we're going to come back down to this 0.5 Fibonacci level over here before we come down to the 0.618, or we bust through and we retest the 0.28 Fibonacci around £270 once again. So we've got a few different options that could happen, really. We're trading still within this descending triangle, so you probably should keep a lookout around this resistance line and this support line. So that's kind of where we're trading at the moment. If we jump into the 4-hour chart, we had a bit of a double bottom over here. As you can see, the neckline was over here and it was breached, but we got rejected over here, so we're kind of trading back down. With Aave and other projects similar to this, whenever we're kind of around 30 on the RSI, guys, as well, that's a great indicator when you can potentially buy and make a short-term trade. If we go to the hour chart, what else can we see here? So yeah, there's been a lot of kind of up and down, sort of swing high, swing low action. And look how many touchdowns we've had on this golden ratio over here, over here, over here. So we've got lots of support. It's very strong. The support is very strong here. So each time we're coming down, we're bouncing back up. But these lines are converging. So there needs to be a decision. I personally think we might fall back down to 244 great reaccumulation zone is between £220 and £214. So if we can complete this pattern and we break to the upside, if we do bust through 279 over here, potentially we can come up to 295 for 7% long. If we break back down, if we get rejected here, and we come through this support over here with the 0.5 Fibonacci, then shorting position potentially 3%, and over here at 0.7 Fibonacci, potentially an 8% short. So keep an eye on those levels. Remember, don't buy the green candles, don't chase the rally, wait for the red candles, be patient, wait for the correction, because there could be something happening very soon. We don't know yet. We've had a lot of days with very solid green candles, so we need to see a bit of red day. We need to trade sideways, we need to consolidate. I mean, if we go to the 4-hour chart right now for Aave, we've busted through the 4-hour 21-day moving average once again. So once we kind of go underneath, I feel more confident to buy, especially on an uptrend. I mean, here, look, if you bought rise in price here, if you bought rise in price, if you bought here, for instance, you're so overextended in contrast to your 4-hour 20-day moving average. It's kind of a risky buy because it's going to come down and then you have to wait much longer for it to actually bust through your entry point. So it's usually better to buy below the 20-day moving average, guys, on really any time frame, especially the daily. I mean, if you look now, if you bought at any time here, sure, you would have made profit, but if you bought here and here, then you're making stupendous amounts of money. Now we're coming back under, so I do think we need to trade sideways a little bit more for this lagging indicator to come back in touch. So short term, I think we come back up to £279, the 0.2 Fibonacci, or we come back down to a golden ratio and we can make a decision whether we bounce up or bounce down. Just wait for the volume confirmation, guys. Don't rush in. And yeah, Aave, I think, is a very strong days. And I do think by the end of this bull cycle, long term, we're looking at a 10 to 15 billion dollar market capital. So perhaps a 500 to 750 pounds, 750 to $1,000 price target. I do think this is a solid project and there's fantastic fundamentals. Great team. Go check out Aave. Check out Aave. I don't know how you say it, guys. And have a read of the coin. It's really a very interesting project. Quite a unique kind of network, and I love it. I love the team and I love the transparency. Anyways, if you're new here, hit the subscribe, hit the like, do the YouTube thingies, hit the notification bell. Daily trading opportunities coming your way, and you're going to get some nice data points such as the reaccumulation zones and just things that you should need to know within this very fast-paced, rapid moving market. We are very constrained of time and there's lots of information to consume. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. See you.